In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can hide or unhide desktop icons on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So we have this desktop icons right here in my window. So how we can hide it, simply make a right click on your desktop. Again, it's right click, okay, on your desktop, and you will find this option, view, this one, okay. You'll find this option, view. Now you have here show desktop icons. Simply uncheck it, okay? Uncheck it. And your desktop icons are now hidden, okay? Now how can we hide the desktop icons? It's simple. You just need to make a right click again on your desktop and then select view and select show desktop icons to check it. And that's it, okay? That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.